Elvis, I can't believe that today is the day I finally get to say what I've been practicing since 2013. You are kind, patient, leveled, silly, delicate, dorky, and ridiculously gorgeous. You're my soulmate in this lifetime and the next. I promise to love you through it all and never give up on you. Thank you for being the bacon to my eggs. I love you. Te amo.
Today, I join my life to yours. You're an amazing person who is strong-willed with a huge heart, and I promise to love you, to be your best friend, to respect and support you, to be patient with you, and to accept you unconditionally. Most importantly, when I said I do, it was a commitment to love you forever.
Therefore, there is nothing left but to declare you husband and wife. Elvis, you may now kiss your bride.
You know, Jenevie, I look at Elvis, because I've gotten to know Elvis, and he's such a, peaceful, tranquil guy. He's just kind of easygoing, and sometimes I'm telling Jen, shut up, But regardless, we just want a good family for them and their future. And again, thank everybody for coming, and best wishes to Jen and Elvis, for their future. All right.